Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. I am Omry. I am the co-founder and CRO of Anchor. We're an autonomous billing and collection system that enables you to get paid automatically, and we're streamlining the entire process from end to end. And in this quick session, I want to just highlight a few things that we've covered in our previous webinar preparing for the next tax season. So I wanted to cover 3 ways to make you work smarter and get paid faster. And I promise it's much easier than you think. Let's get to it. So basically, we're all trying to make sure that we're shying away from frustration and inefficiencies into what we call freedom from the pain of billing. And I think this is coming more and more critical as the tax season is advancing. And we want to make sure that we are avoiding these 3 mistakes. So first of all, avoid unnecessary friction with clients, which means anything that is overcomplicated, like a cumbersome engagement letter, things that are too heavy on the legal side instead of being straight to the point and making them fast to onboard, anything that revolves around making it complicated for them to pay. That normally leads to chasing clients. We're chasing them for signatures, work materials, and worst of all, if we need to chase them for your own payment. The last thing that we really encourage you to avoid is staying with bad old-fashioned ways. So even if these methods have served you in the past, most times they tend to be manual, hard, and slow, and are no longer serving your business versus the other things that can. So these are, like in a nutshell, the 3 things to avoid, and I want to not just point out the bad things, but really try and assist you in understanding how you can overcome them. So the best things to do, naturally, is the opposite. Make sure it's super easy to work with you. You streamline the work and payments in a way that make them flow. Instead of things being in siloed boxes, every process, you make everything connected and flow organically. Replace every manual effort with automation so that you can gain your time back and make sure that the cash flow is secured, that you're getting paid on time and you're not bleeding out money due to lack of efficiency. So how does Anchor actually go about doing this? The main thing is we're changing how we approach onboarding clients. Instead of sending old DocuSign or PDF, you're sending a branded link to your client in which he or she will see basically your agreement, your engagement letter. It will state the terms, the payouts, everything that the client needs to do, and it will do it in a very, very straightforward, simple way, very much like SaaS and e-commerce. Bottom line first, all the legal stuff is below, no fluff, straight to the point. After they sign, immediately the system will ask them for their payment information. It could be an ACH or their credit card. They're not going to be charged. The system only gathers that information for future use. After that, naturally, you will conduct your service, and when the time is right, you would like them to approve all the files that you have and all the reports, so they can actually view it on the system and then approve each and every one of them. And once they're approved, the payment will be collected automatically upon that approval, and then they will have full access to that report, and you can actually submit what's needed. The payment goes directly to your bank account and being reconciled with QuickBooks. So at the foundation, instead of having a lot of siloed systems that are cluttered, filled with errors, are slow, and are very frustrating both for you as a business owner and for your clients, we're right now streamlining the entire thing from proposal or engagement letter through collecting their payment method, reviewing the documents and reports, getting paid, and having that being transferred to you and reconciled all automatically, so that you can actually avoid the friction with chasing your clients around these things, and we saw tremendous benefits and impact for CPAs that have been using this method. And without me, going into more detail, I would love to invite you to join us at sayanchor.com. It's completely free to try it and use it. The payment is only when you're receiving funds, and it's only $5 per payment received, meaning it's a flat fee. There's no minimums. It's not a percentage. There's no subscription. So just give it a try, and there is a benefit for CAS CPA members. So see you on the other side. Thank you so much for your time.